How to set up Flow with Slack and Monday Media Team. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your monday.com account and go to the workspace where your media team operates. Click on Integrations in the top menu. 2. In the Integration Center, search for Slack and select the Slack integration option. Click Add to Board to begin the setup process. 3. Choose the automation you need, such as sending Slack notifications when tasks are updated, completed, or assigned to a specific team member. 4. Connect your Slack workspace by logging in and authorizing monday.com to access your Slack account. Ensure you have the necessary admin permissions. Select the Slack channel where you want updates to appear. You can choose a team-specific channel or create a new one for better organization. 6. Customize your integration by setting specific triggers and conditions. For example, you can send messages when a task's status changes or when a deadline is approaching. 7. Click Save to finalize the integration. Test the setup by making a small change in monday.com and checking if the notification appears in Slack.